get a lot of questions about why does my garbage disposal stink? Well, over time, debris builds up in that disposal, and sometimes it just needs to be cleaned out. I got 2 easy steps for you to do that. The first one involves taking just normal ice cubes and putting them down your garbage disposal. Let it run, push your ice cubes down there, and let it clean the blades of the disposal for you. The second step involves taking orange peels or orange rinds and putting those down in the garbage disposal. That's going to make it smell a little citrusy. Let them run for a bit. Get rid of that nasty odor that was in there.